Okay, you are welcome back. This is the third part of our series on solving problems on set theory. Now, this question says a survey of 100 first grade children were taken to determine how they like apple, grape, and orange juice. It was found that 63 like orange juice, 62 don't like apple juice, 18 neither apple juice nor grape juice, 85 like at least one of the juice, 30 like apple and orange juice, then 20 like all the three juices, 28 don't like grape juice. So the first thing is to represent this set, find a letter to represent them. So that's the first thing we are going to do. So I'm going to start now. So let O be the set of those who like orange juice. Let A be the set of those who liked apple juice. Let G be the set of those who liked grape juice. So I'll be able to represent all this. So the next thing is to bring out this data and then represent them in set notation. So I'm going to start now. A, those who like orange juice is given as 63. So that is solved. Now the next one says 62 don't like apple juice. They don't like apple juice. That is A complement. Those who like apple juice is A. That means those who don't like apple will be A complement. So it's given as 62. Let me pause this video. I'm sweating. I'm to put on the fan. Okay, now let's continue. Now, we are not yet through with this. So if those who don't like apple is 62, then those who like apple. Now, when we talk about complementation, let's say we are given a set A. The complement of set A is the set of elements that are in the universal set but are not in set A. So then the addition of of a set A, the addition of set A and its complement will give you the universal set. So we have that will give you the universal. So we can get plus 62 is equals to 100. Universal set is given to be 100. So those who like apple, those who like apple juice is 98 is equals to 38. So And that solves that. So that's that. Those who like apple juice is NA is 38. So we have been able to solve that. Then the next one says 18 like neither apple nor grape juice. So that's the information we want to tackle now. So the information we are given, they like neither. So A, apple, or G, complement. So this is what this statement means. They like neither apple or juice. That means they don't like those two. They don't like those two juice at all. So we have that to be 18. Now, or we can write it like this. Okay, they don't like. That is what the statement means. So you can write it like this. This same statement is the same thing as A complement intersection G complement. So it's the same thing. So I just is equals to 18. This is what that statement means. 18 like neither apple or grape juice. So this is what the statement means. Complement. So that's what the statement means there. So that is for that. We have been able to write. Then the next one says 85 like at least one of the juice. So before we start, when somebody says, let's say we have somebody, you have 3 pencils, and somebody say, please give me at least one pencil. That means you can give the person one pencil. You can give the person one pencil. You can give the person 2 pencils, or you can give the person the whole 3 pencils. So what we can infer from this statement is this. So the so 85 like at least one of the juice. So we have O intersection A intersection G. That is what this statement means. So it's at 85. So the next statement says 30 like apple and orange juice. So the next statement says 30 like apple and orange juice. That's 30. So we have written that. The next statement is 20 like all the 3 juice. Those who have similarity, they have something they share in common, and those two share all the 3 together. The 3 peculiar juice, they love the 3 peculiar juice. They have that peculiarity is that they are 20. So we have N O intersection A intersection G is equals to 20. So the last statement is 28 don't like grape juice. 28 don't like grape juice. They don't like grape juice. Since they don't like it, those who like it is G. We have said let those who like grape juice, let it be G. So those who don't like it will be G complement. So that's 28. That's 28. So those who like it, so like we have said earlier, N so we have plus 28 is equals to 100. So by this we have, so that will be 72. So those who like, so those who like grape juice, is equals to 72. So it looks lengthy, but I need to explain this information to us. Now, I want to go back a little bit from the data we have been able to extract. These are all the information that I've been able to extract. So I need to go back to this line. I need to go back to this place that 18 like neither apple or grape juice. I need to go back there. I need to go back there. So this line, which is this, so I need to explain something, and it's still about the complement of a set. Now, if these are people who don't like neither, they like neither apple nor the grape. So we have found that. So if you have something like this, G plus A union G complement, it will be equals to so just like saying that everything here, let it be a set which is complement, we give you the universal set. This is the set. Take everything here as a set. This is the complement of the set. Now, if you add them together, if you merge them together, you get back the universal set. So we can have this. So this one will be A and G plus 18 is equals to 100. So G is equals to, that would be 82. So I need to explain that. So we have, so I can have a good view. So just go over the problem as we just follow it. If you couldn't get it at first, watch the video over and over again. So by this, I've been able to extract all the information we are given here. All this information that we are given, I've been able to turn them into the set notation form. So that's nice. So the next thing is, let us see whether we can start drawing the Venn diagram for this. So I have already drawn a Venn diagram, but don't worry, I have not put all the figures there. So it should take me time to be drawing. So and we need to be fast. So I have drawn the Venn diagram. I'm going to assume this is O stands for orange, A stands for apple, and G stands for grape. So that's that. So now we need to put all these values into the set. So from the information we are given that those who like all the three juices is 20. So we can easily represent that. That's 20. Those who like all the three juices is 20. So I'm putting 20 here. So that is that. So the next thing is, if you look at this set, we are given, another thing we are given is A intersection O. That is this portion. See, as I'm following this circle, just follow it as that cursor is, where I'm placing the cursor. That is everything in that overlap between A. The overlap between O and A, that's the overlap. So this place, we already know it to be 20. So we need to know this place. Let me put X here for the sake of our. So let me assume that place is X. I'm not. So that's it. So that place X and 20 forms O intersection A or A intersection O. So that place. So we are already given A intersection O as 30. We are already given from the information. You can see A intersection O is 30. So I need to get A intersection O intersection G complement. That means those who don't like grape, they like apple, they like orange, but they don't like. So that's A intersection O minus A intersection O intersection G. Okay, let me put this intersection A. So this man, that's 30 minus 10 minus minus 20, so which is equals to 10. So I need to clean this. So this place is 10. So let me write this. This one is 10. So if you look at it, A intersection O is given as 30. So 10 plus 20 will give you 30. So that is solved. Now, if you look at the information again, let's look at the information we are given. Is there anything we can still extract from this information? Now, remember, we have those who like grape at 72. We've been able to find that. And then we have those who like grape as 72 and those who like apple as 38. We can, these two circles, this overlap of A and G, we have some information that we can use to get what we want. So you're going to see me do that in a moment. So there's a law in algebra set. There's a law in algebra set that says that, let's imagine we are considering the circle of O and G. So I'm going to do something like this. We have A union G. Now, if you look at, we are given A union, we've been able to find A union G, and we found it to be 82. So, NA, NG minus A intersection G. So, we have this information. Now, I want you to just have at the back of your mind. Now, this, let me show that it will be more visual to you. I've drawn this circle. I've drawn this so that you see what I'm doing. I'm going to paste it here. I want you to have a better view of what I'm doing. So that's why I'm taking the pen to draw diagrams. Now, in this set, that's G and A. So I have brought it out to be just 2. Our A union G is given already. We've been able to find our A union G out. Now, if you look at this information that I have here, look at this information. Now, this information, we have said that those who like neither apple or grape juice, grape juice is 18. And from that information, we are able to get our A union G, the cardinal of A union D is 82. We've been able to extract that out. So now, I'm going to work with this now. So that's 82 equals to our NA. We've been able to find out those who don't like apple have been given to be 62. And those who like apple, we found it to be 38. So this one will be 38. Those who like grape juice, we found it to be 72 from this. G complement, those who don't like grape. Now, we've been able to extract it and find out that those who like grape juice is 72 from our calculation. So I'm going to put that into this plus 72 minus, I don't know, those who like this. So we have so add that together, 82, that's 0, that's 10, 1, 1, 0, minus A, G. So A intersection G is equals to, now what we need to do is just to subtract. So that's 110 minus 82. So this gives us 8, and then this gives us 2. So if you look at this circle now, this place now is 28. So let me write 28. So this place is 28. So that overlap is 28. Now that same overlap, if you look at it, we have 20, and then let's imagine that this place let's say this place is y. I'm going to put this as y. Now if you look at these two circles, 20 and y is the same thing as 28 from the diagram. Sorry, I'm not using a board. I'm trying to put everything in. So I'm using a system, so at times you have issues. So we now have, we can say that A intersection G, let me close this. So we have been able to find our A intersection G as 28. So this man, so don't worry. So we now have A intersection G intersection O complement is equals to 28 minus 20, which is equals to 8. So this place is equals to 8. So I'm going to write 8 here, that you see what is happening. That's 8. So we are through with that. So you can see now we are getting more information from the data we are given. Now the next thing is, we know those who take apple. Do you understand? We know the number of people who like apple juice, and that has been given to be 38. So now we need to find out those who don't, those who like apple only. Those who liked apple only. So in set notation format, that will be N, that will be O, that's the A intersection O complement intersection G complement. So that is 100. That we've gotten that. So don't worry, I will see what is happening. So you see it. To drag this thing up. So from our calculation, those who like apple is 28. See, you can see it here. Those who like apple is 38. That's that. So the total of everything here in this circle of A must be equal to 38. So that will be NA Let me copy this so that copy, minus. So we now have something of this nature. So we now have 10 minus 10 plus 20 plus 8. So this 38 minus 38, everything equals to 0. So those who like apple only is 0. So we need to put 0 here. What is happening now? Okay. That's 0. So we have been able to do that. Now we need more information. We still have somewhere to go. We have not gotten this place, we have not gotten this place, we have not gotten this place. So we need to get all this information out from the data we are given. Now we are given another important information, that there are people that like at least one of the Jews, and which we represented as this O union G union C. So there is a law in set, law of algebra set, which we are going to apply, and the law says that if you are given A, let's say O union G union A, so that is same thing as set O, set G, so plus this is A, then G, plus minus O intersection A, O intersection A minus O intersection G minus G, A intersection G, then plus A O intersection A intersection G. So this law is what we are going to apply from now. We are given O union G union A from this data you are already given. Those who love at least one of the G's, that's 85. So I'm going to be representing everything out now so that we can see what is happening. I need to get more information out. So we have 85. This is 85. Those who like oranges, we are given already. So those who like orange is 63. That's our NO. Our NA is 38. Our NG is 72. We are through with that. So we now move to the next page. The next page, O intersection A. O intersection A is 30 minus 30. Now, if we look at A intersection G is 28. That is from this circle. So 28 minus, we don't know, wait, so we now have O intersection G, A intersection G, A intersection G is 28. So O intersection G, we don't know that. So I need to copy this. I don't know this. Minus 28. So plus those, there are people that know that like all the three Jews, we are giving that to be 20. So this is the information that we need. So you can see it. This is all the data we need. So now let's simplify that. O intersection G equals to. So let's simplify that. So let me use a calculator. So we have 63 plus 38 plus 72 minus 30 minus 28 plus 20. That's 135. So 85 equals to 135 minus O intersection G. So O intersection G is equals to 135 minus 85, which is equals to 50. What this implies is that O intersection G, everything in this circle, let me just, so that you see what is happening. Where, let's use this circle, let's use this. Let me just change it so that you can follow along. Let's say this is O, and then this place is our G. So the overlap of these two circles, which is this portion here, the overlap there is 50 from our calculation. So I need to change this to 50. So everything here is 50. So for us to get those who, so we have been able to get that. So we need to get, if so, O intersection G intersection A complement will be equals to 50 minus 20 is equals to 30. So we have been able to get that. So that is 30. So I need to put this. Let me drag this so that you see what is happening. So change this to 30. So if you add 20 plus 30, that will give you 50. So by this, you yourself can finish up this question now. We have been able to get all the data that we need. The others are simple for us to get. So we can get our n, we can get from this data now that we have worked with, we can get, let's say we want to find those who like orange only. So those who like orange only, look at it again. Those who like orange only, is 63. So 63 minus 2. So you look at the circle, for orange is this circle. So we have to subtract. I have to subtract all the other ones from it. So that's 10 plus 20 plus 30. So that's 3. So that place is 3. So I can put 3 here. So that's 3. Then this side also, for those who like only grape juice, I can also get that out. Those who like only grape juice. So let's get that out. G intersection O complement intersection A complement. So we have this one, that's 78 minus. So if we have to subtract, I want you to see. So we have that's 72. Sorry, this 72. So if you look at it, we have to subtract 20 plus 30 plus 8. So that's 58. So 58, 72 minus 58. So this gives us 4, and that gives us 1. So that gives us 20 plus 30, that's 58. Subtract it from 72, that gives us 14. So I'm going to write 14 here. Sorry about this. Just bear along. So we got this place to be 14, and that's it. So all the information that we are asked to find, we have been able to get all this information. Another thing you might need to find out is that maybe there are some people that don't like any of among the 100, maybe there are students that don't like any of the juice, that did not like any of the juice. So for the sake of time, let's just go straight to the question. First question is, how many of the 100 students surveyed like only juice? So let's write out. Let me pick this and be putting the answers there. Now the first one, how many of like only grape juice? We have gotten that to be 14 from the diagram. That's 14. So we got this to be 14. How many of the 100 surveyed like grape and apple juice? So apple, grape, and apple. That's 28. We got that to be 28. Grape and apple. That is this circle. That is this. That's 20 plus 8, which is 28. So we got that to be grape and apple. We got that to be 20 plus 8, which is equals to 28. So we've written that. Then the last one is how many of the 100 students like only apple? Like only, this is apple, not apply. Apple. So we got that to be 0. You can look at the diagram again. Those who like apple only, which is 0, this is it. So we have that. So that is how to go about solving this. So thank you. Hope you just take your time, go over this video, watch it as many times as possible, take down notes, and as you are writing it, so you can follow along and master this process. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and share our video. So we'll be back again in another video. Thank you.